bluebird, chirping a beat. C is for crow, caw, caw, caw. D is for dove, the nicest I saw. E is for eagle, soaring so high. F is for flamingo, pink in the sky. G is for goose, honk, honk sound. H is for hen, pecking the ground. I is for ibis, long beak bright. J is for jay, blue in flight. K is for kingfisher, diving fast. L is for lark, singing at last. M is for magpie, black and white. N is for nightingale, singing at night. O is for owl, hoot hoot call. P is for parrot, the best talker of all. Q is for quail, small and round. R is for robin, hopping on the ground. S is for sparrow, tiny and sweet. T is for turkey, gobble to eat. U is for umbrella bird, feathers so wide. V is for vulture, soaring with pride. W is for woodpecker, knock knock tree. X is for xenops, tiny as can be. Y is for yellow hammer, golden and bright. Z is for zebra finch, singing with delight.